You've probably used Zapier before to automate your apps. But did you know you could zap your phone in those automations? Yes. Zapier integration in KrispCall enables you to set multiple actions on your phone triggers instantly. A new call is completed in KrispCall. Auto add a row in Google Sheets. A new SMS is received. Create a contact in your CRM automatically. Or, when a form is submitted, send an MMS response immediately. Here's how you can set it up, step by step. Sign up and log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations. Now click on My Zaps, then select Connect Zap. Next, the Zapier account will ask for access. Allow it, and your Zapier integration is completed successfully. After the setup, start by creating your first Zap. Explore KrispCall's Integration Marketplace. Then, under Categories, go to Zapier Automation. Pick from the wide range of workflows and click on Use this workflow. And one final step before starting automation. Connect the KrispCall account inside Zapier by signing in. Fetch the API key and secret key from your KrispCall app. Paste it, click on Continue, and it's done. Now, to add a new Zap, simply go to My Zaps and click on Add New Zap. You'll then be redirected to the KrispCall listing in Zapier. Here, either search for the app you're pairing KrispCall with or scroll below to select and search pre-built workflows for your apps. Once connected, you can further add steps by selecting from 7,000 plus apps and tools, and customize your workflow automation with KrispCall as needed. Even if you're new to KrispCall or Zapier, this integration fits right into your existing tools while automating the phone tasks you've been handling manually. Ready to add KrispCall to your Zaps? Visit KrispCall.com to get started or book a free demo today.